sealer wax to treat this and treat this. The edges are always going to show. I need to do a close-up so you guys can really see them. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Look how nice that looks. I mean, wow. I mean, compared to the rest. But if you look close, you can see the imperfections. Look at. See, this is where I used that little sanding block and it was a little too much. But, I mean, look at the shine right there. And that's refraction. That's just, over here it looks ugly because it's flat. It's, the clear coat here is contaminated and oxidized. This is just flat and oxidized. And look at that, that's just white. That looks ugly. There's no refraction. Here, there's plenty of refraction. Look how nice that looks. So, you guys want to use the Lukat Fix It. Okay, you guys can order these online, or you guys can call us. We'll put the phone number. You guys got questions, call me. Okay, this is just something. And right now that if you're in quarantine but you're okay, I mean, you got a garage, you want to work on your car, right now is a good time to work on a car. I mean, just kick back, take it easy. And man, stay healthy, guys. It's a terrible time right now, man, but you know what? We're going to pull through. Everything's going to be good, man. No matter what. I mean, because what choice do we got, right? We got to make the best of this. You guys take care, man. And join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later.